Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to invite Facebook friends to like your Facebook page. Like as you can see, I am into my Facebook account, right? You can simply switch to your Facebook page by clicking the top right icon. Okay, here I have switched to my Facebook page. I will visit the profile page of my Facebook page. Okay, and into here you can see the triple dot option, right? You can simply click on that and you can scroll down, invite people to connect. Whenever you click on this invite people to connect, it will automatically switch to your Facebook account, right? It is asking me to switch to my Facebook account. Okay, you can click on switch. Here you can select all those friends whom you want to send the invitation to like your Facebook page, right? For example, I'm selecting this person and I will click on send invitation. Okay, invitation sent. So it was super easy, right? If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, kindly check out the video description. I have mentioned our website link over there. You can simply visit our website, explore the course and directly purchase it from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.